So the door we've taken out of here, which I've just left down the side of the house. I'll show you right now. So that door there, that's all fine, we can reuse that. What we're going to do is the client wants it right where this door is here in the garage. So we're going to remove this roller door here today, the tracks, possibly the frame as well, all the way around. And then we're just going to install this door in that space there. And then that'll be the new entrance to her little office that she's going to have here. So we've got some cladding boards. We're going to put them up the sides and over the top around the new, the new old door. And then inside here, obviously, we're probably going to have to do a little bit of plaster up the side and over the top, and then obviously we have to trim the door as well. But anyways, we'll start removing all this and get into it, eh? This is why I don't like MDF trims, eh? A little bit of moisture and then they just swell up. Here's Nikki. I'm glad she could make it today. Really need her help. Howdy.
Hey.
Get yourself some sushi for lunch?
No. The drive-thru here is re-filet.
I know. Yeah, why?
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I'm all over it, mate. Like a fat kid on a cupcake. Right, while Nikki's doing a bit of cleanup, I'll show you something here. So just in here, I'm not sure if you can see too well, but looks like there's been some termites that have attacked and there's been a repair, but all three of these jack studs here have been cut and just some random bits have been thrown in their place, which is not good because you need solid pieces all the way from the bottom to the top to support this lintel that's up here. We're not going to replace these because we've actually got to build it out anyway. So when we build it out here, we'll have the support underneath there anyway. But this head's got to come down because we need to make a bit more height for the window anyway. But yeah, just showing you there's some dodgy people in the world, but we'll get it sorted for the client. We're just going to cut the nails that go into here, but it doesn't look like there are any. I'm just going to try and remove this. Oh, yep. That's where the termites were. Man, these termites have been everywhere. Yeah, just cut these, go down first, give the frame an added layer, go down on the frame like that. Can I get that flick off you, please? Yeah, just hold it on that line there. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, so obviously we've framed it out, we've put the noggins in, and I've run the builder's paper all the way around to protect the frame from any moisture that would come through the cladding, which highly doubtful. We're going to put trims up the sides, we're going to install this door, and then we're going to trim around. Actually, probably won't trim around the door depending on how much I have left for the cladding. If the cladding's too thick for the door, then we'll trim around the door and then install the cladding. She's pretty much ready to go. I'll put these down, these FC bits down to just to protect the frame from any rising moisture. Put the noggins in. Obviously once the door's in, sliding door, we're gonna have to fix up that plaster there, clean it up a bit before the plasterer comes in and replaces it. Just on both sides there, and we'll fix up those trims there. I'll probably cut that back to where it's gone cruddy. Anyways, get to installing this door, and then we'll get the rest done. Fab tab.
Yes.
Alright, well that looks pretty good. Just kick that bottom towards this way. No, towards this way. That's it. A little bit more. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Right, so line it up with the plaster.
Oh jeez, too strong.
Just kick that bottom in again. Oh yeah. I got it. Thank you very much.
Is that all you need me for?
Yeah. Okay, door's in, all adjusted, ready to go. I'll start probably doing the trims around. The door sticks out a bit further, so we'll trim around the door anyway, and then up against the brickwork, and then start the cladding. Alright, so while Nikki cuts that, we'll go back to finishing this cladding out here. pretty much run out of battery, so I've only got a couple % left just to go over this. But obviously we've installed the window, and Nikki cut the rest of the cladding for me, and obviously installed that, trimmed it. If you come inside as well, we've put the plaster on each side. Gave it a bit of a sweep too for the plasterer to do his thing. So that's that. Just need the plasterer to do his thing, and then can do the trims. So Nikki got the trims off this window here today, so that'll give us a good start. I've just marked a couple bits, so we're gonna open up this wall from here to probably about here, and install that window stacker. Also got to demolish this up here, so tomorrow we'll have to get, if we get that far, we'll have to get acro props, prop it all up right here up and get rid of that. We'll have to put a beam up there, because unfortunately some trusses are on shoes, but only over this opening here, and the rest of the trusses are sitting on top of the wall, so they're load bearing. So yeah, we'll have to bear that load from there to there. Got that done. Also, Nikki and I demolished this wall in here, that U-shaped wall for the existing fridge cavity, and she nipped up that for us to put that sheet in, and that should be a nice little patch for the plasterer. But yeah, did a big clean up, ready for it again tomorrow. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow.